Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna go straight into it, y'all. It's literally already been 10 months. Y'all already know how we do. So first, we're going to look at the locks and how they're looking right now. So these are the locks. I'm gonna get a little bit close, okay? So these are the locks. This is how they look. They are looking pretty thick. And my roots are like this because I haven't had a retwist since September, babes. We don't judge over here, okay? So this is how they're looking on this side. Again, I'm pretty thick. And you can see the length, okay? You see it. I'm going to turn around and show you guys the back. Alright, so that was the locks. And that was how the locks are looking so far at 10 months into my journey. So I'm going to show you guys the problem areas like we always do. So this is this one side, and in terms of length and thickness, it's pretty much the same thing. I'm sorry, size and thickness is pretty much the same thing. It hasn't gotten any thinner, and that's what we like. And then this side also the same, nothing has changed. And of course, this side has always been shorter than this side since I was a loose natural. That is not anything new in these corners. And then again, the back pieces, child, at this point, it's already locked up. Like, it is a wrap. So the two main things that I really want to talk about for this update is shrinkage and my locks. So first, I'm going to hit on shrinkage. So as you guys can see, baby, we are shoulder length. Okay, so I definitely feel like it's definitely at a point where the shrinkage is pretty much going and the locks are dropping. Okay, so I think around month 4, I'm gonna say month 4 to like 7 is when I had like the most shrinkage, where like it went up, and I think now it's at a point where it's dropping. I started to notice it last month, but I feel like this month is even more. And like, again, you could literally see it's touching my shoulders. Like, I don't have to, like I do this, you see it, you know what I mean? So I really feel like this month, the shrinkage, goodbye. And we're not gonna miss it. Goodbye. Be great somewhere else. But anyways, that is pretty much it. And then, so linking to the shrinkage is the fact that even though I haven't had a retwist, I can still see the length, because typically once you retwist is when you can see, more of the length. But even without my retwist, I could still see all the length that I have. So that's how I figured, oh, okay, like, the shrinkage from is gone. Now I have this. And on the retwist topic, I've had a retwist since September, and it was like mid-September, and I'm trying to hold off and do my retwist in January. Okay, so, and I really feel like I can do it. This time around, I haven't retwisted that much with my starter locks. I think this, in the first year, I think I've only retwisted like, I think 3 times maybe. Like, I haven't done it that much, and I'm really proud of myself. And I really feel like not retwisting so much has really helped me to love this journey even more, love myself even more, love my hair even more, because I'm just learning to appreciate it how it is in this state. Okay, because I feel like once your locks are a little bit more mature, you can kind of get away with it. But like, when it's short like this, like, you have to accept it and love it and deal with it. So that's really what I've been doing, and I've honestly been loving it. Like, I really have no type of complaints, none at all. And then in terms of the locks, so last time I told you guys, like when I'm touching the locks and I go down here is where I could feel the twist. So now, in some of the locks, I don't feel it anymore. So I have one lock over here, baby, I don't feel nothing, nada. Okay, like from root to tip, I'm like touching, trying to feel for the twist. I don't feel it. I don't feel it at all. However, there are some like towards the back, like this one here, I can still feel the twist like towards the very end. So it's definitely like, it really just depends. So I feel like it's at the stage where they're like, forming and like maturing and actually locking up. I think I'm like in between the budding and locking up phase. Correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm not really sure on the correct terms for it. But I think I'm at that stage now of my journey where I'm past the budding, but I'm not like fully mature yet. I'm just like getting into that. So that's really what I think it is, because it's like some of them I'll touch it and I don't feel it, and some I will feel it. So it's like, oh, okay. So those two things are the two main things that I really noticed and I want to talk about first and foremost. And then now I want to talk about the moisture routine. So as you guys know, I've been on top of my moisture routine from the very beginning because I wanted to be on top of it more with this set, because I really feel like it really made a big difference for me in my hair. And I'm not gonna lie, I didn't slack off this month, but it's a little bit like not as much as I've been doing consistently up until this month. So like I would do maybe like, let's say 4 to 6 times a week. Now we're looking like 3 to 5. So like I'm still doing it, but I can definitely hold myself accountable and say that I know I'm not doing it as much as I used to or as much as I can. So definitely for next month, I'm trying to get back into that, because don't get me wrong, I'm still moisturizing my locks, babes, but I can admit that not as much, and that's okay. That is okay. And then in terms of styling, I told you guys that I really wanted to try more styles with my hair, and I have been doing that. I did post some videos on my Instagram as well as YouTube Shorts. Definitely check them out. Just some quick styles with no retwists, because I wanted to keep myself motivated during this month so that I don't retwist my hair. So I did do some styles really quick, like simple, and I definitely posted those. And then I've also told you guys that I wanted to try more styles with my locks in terms of like braids and twists and things like that. So I definitely am going to be trying braids, because I did try locks. I've tried faux locks like 2 or 3 times now, and I tried also the twist. So I definitely want to give braids a try and see how that goes. But I also don't want to, like, you know, have too much buildup in my hair, because I know buildup is not going to be good for me, because I don't want to deal with that. So my next thing definitely is to try the braids and see how those will work, because I feel like maybe I can do the braids and have that hold me over until January, so that I can do my retwist in January. So I'm really looking forward to trying that style out, trying more styles with my locks. In terms of what I'm looking forward to, I don't really think I'm going to see that much of a difference with my locks in December. I feel like it'll be just this, maybe a little bit longer, but I'm definitely looking forward to January and seeing just how much difference my hair is going to be, because it'll be my 1 year. I literally cannot wait for that. I can't wait to touch up on this color, because it's looking a little but that's okay. We're gonna hold off until January for that. So I'm really looking forward to that, and how my locks are going to be looking, how long they're going to be by that time, because like I said, babes, we're already at shoulder length, okay? So I'm really looking forward to that, to see, you know, how that's going to be. I'm gonna say for this update, you guys, like the locks are definitely maturing and is locking up. I think I'm like in between the budding phase and what's next after that. I'm not really sure on the correct terms, but I really feel like I'm pretty much leaving the starter lock phase, and then I'm looking forward to, you know, how my locks will mature this time around and how it's going to look. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And like I always say, you guys, this is your hair, this is your journey. Don't compare it to nobody else, not to me, somebody on Pinterest, on TikTok, whoever, whatever. Do not compare. Do whatever works for you, okay? We're only human. Don't try to do what they're doing. Do what works for you and your hair and your journey and your process. Enjoy it. Enjoy your hair. Enjoy your journey. Make the best of it. Please, I literally cannot stress that enough. If you have any questions, again, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I see you in the next video. Bye.